Hey guys, so I've kind of contemplated making this video for a really long time. Finley was diagnosed when she was about, I think it was like 18 months old. But it's been a while, she's 5 now. She was diagnosed with sensory processing. Let's see what Google says the definition of it is. Sensory processing disorder is a condition in which the brain has trouble receiving and responding to information that comes in through the senses. Some people with sensory processing disorder are oversensitive to things in their environment. Common sounds may be painful or overwhelming. Well, with Finley, it all stems down to food. Food in her mouth and like that kind of stuff. So when she was little, I picked up on like her not wanting to eat. I mean, she ate baby food sometimes, but like not a lot. She didn't like it. She just didn't. And that's nothing that I could do. That's nothing that my mom could do. Like, none of us could do anything about it. We tried, and like she'd eat some, but not much. And like they said, food before 1, just for fun, all that. Well, then she hit 1, and we tried to give her table food. She wouldn't really eat anything, but she had this thing for milk. She'd always drink milk. No matter what, hands down, she would drink milk. I don't remember what concerned me about her. I think it was just the fact that she wasn't eating after she had turned 1. And she wasn't gaining weight like she's supposed to. Finley's a small little petite thing. If you've like watched any of our videos, she's just this tiny little thing. Went to the doctor, and our doctor's office has like 3 or 4 doctors, and there's one specific doctor that I can't stand, and I'm going to tell you why I cannot stand him. So he told me to not give her milk. He was just like, cut the milk. It's your fault that your child's not eating because you're giving her too much milk. When I tell you that I starved this child for 2 days because of that doctor, this child starved. She had no milk, nothing, except for at bedtime and at nap time I gave her milk. But besides that, nope, she had nothing at all because that's what the doctor told me to do. The doctor was a quack job. So after I did my little experiment like the doctor told me to, I called the doctor's office again and I was like, hey, never give me this man again. I need help. Do something with my kid. Like, she needs to eat. We need to figure something out. So they suggested us to take her to therapy. So they do this like evaluation, and in the evaluation they like watch her eat things. So what they noticed was when she took an animal cracker, because that's what they gave her an animal cracker, and she put it in her mouth. When she put it in her mouth, she pocketed it into her cheek and didn't chew. Like, she waited till it got all mushy and then she swallowed it. So from that, they figured out that her brain was not telling her mouth to chew food at all. So my poor child was pocketing food, waiting for it to get gushy, and then she could swallow it because she could not chew. We were in therapy for about a year. I want to say it was about a year. And things got better in that year, and she started eating more. But man, when I tell you that it is so hard to get this child to eat, it is so hard, and I don't know what to do. I can't get her back into therapy currently because I don't drive, and my mom, stuff's going on with her, and just, it's been a lot. And I'm freaking out because before that, they threatened a getting tube, and I just don't want to do that. She can eat, it's just she sometimes chooses not to. And the things that she eats is not, I mean, they're healthy for her, but she doesn't eat any meat. She doesn't get any, like, substance, really. Oh, it's just hard. Because Xander, he's not like that. Like, he doesn't have any issues. He eats anything I hand him, and just Finley is just hard. Sometimes I have to, like, bribe her to eat her chicken nuggets when we go out to eat. And what normal child doesn't eat chicken nuggets? And, like, I don't like to say that she's, like, not normal, because she is. She's a child, you know. But, like, who doesn't eat chicken nuggets? And the macaroni and cheese is the plague to her. She has never ate macaroni and cheese. Never will. That's something that's hands down not going to happen. Applesauce is another big one that she does not like. And I think that's why baby food wasn't good for her. Like, she didn't like baby food because it has the consistency of applesauce. I'm going to insert a couple clips of, like, things that she eats. I think I have, like, 3 clips of a couple things that I've filmed just recently. On top of like those couple things that I've showed, she eats vegetables like crazy. She eats fruit like crazy. Like, those are her 2 main things. She loves them. I try to do fresh, but sometimes we do canned. Like today, her and Xander ate a whole big can of pineapple chunks. It's healthy. It's good. I don't care. You're eating. And also today they had hot dogs. Finley will eat hot dogs. She had 3 today, which is crazy because that's a lot. She also eats kibasi, and I think I have a clip of her eating beef jerky. I have gotten her to eat a pork chop one time. Never again did that ever happen. She won't eat chicken even if I don't put sauce on it. Like, it's hard to figure out what this child will eat. And my grandma like has this saying where a child will eat when a child wants to eat. If I didn't offer Finley food, she wouldn't eat. Or she'd find like chips or something that I have in the house, and that'd be it. Popcorn is also a big one. Another source of protein that she gets is peanuts and peanut butter. She does like those. Her favorites are cashews, and of course they're the expensive ones, right? Dinner tonight is some turkey, deli turkey, lettuce, and carrots.